Hi everyone, here we have a best CP37 insert, and what I'm going to show you today, the purpose of the video is if you need to replace the knobs and how to take out the lights. If by chance you have a knob that breaks, and it can happen, Best has a service part. It's a model SV08578. This service kit comes with two knobs and an Allen wrench key to get the old switch off and the new switch on. To get the old switch, let's just say the light switch, something happened to it, it broke. To get it out, there is on the top or around the perimeter, there's a hole. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick this Allen wrench key into that hole and you're going to loosen the set screw. Just like so. The knob will slide off and you can take a look. Here's the hole in the unit. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. There's a little set screw which then tightens on to the switch post. But that's all it is. You would just grab a different switch or a different knob and slide it back over the post. You're going to line the flat with the flat on the switch and then tighten it. To get the bulbs out, we have what we call a little suction cup tool. You can buy them in the store. We do have them here available. The suction cup tool is kind of nice. It sticks on to the bulb. Now here you have a little handle and you just push up, turn to the left, and you pull the bulb right out. And that's all it is. You just would take a new bulb and put it in its place. If you do not have a suction cup, if you have a roll of duct tape in your house, and a lot of people have duct tape, what you can do, just rip off a piece of duct tape. What I would do is just roll it in a little ball, stick it onto the lens like so, and now you have a little handle. You can push up on the handle, turn to the left, and there you have it. The bulb will come out. So just a couple helpful hints. I hope it helps. Thanks.